Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Diffuse weighted imaging. So diffuse weighted imaging, it has the black color, that is everything what you see is black. And there is no surrounding scalp bone was seen. So no surrounding scalp bone is seen. And complementary to the diffusion weighted imaging, we get the ADC map. So there is something known as the ADC map, and it is the diffusion coefficient map. So next is the facilitated diffusion, the facilitated discussion. This is by the CSF. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.